Alright, in this one we're going to talk about average monthly expenditures, and the formula's up here. It's the same as taking any average. You add together your items and then you divide how many there are. Since we're talking about monthly expenditures, we add the expenditures for a certain number of months and then divide by the number of months we were working with. So in this example, she's keeping records and she wants to know how much she spends on average each month. Her records for 3 months are shown. What's her average monthly expenditure? So we really just follow the formula. We take August and add to September and add to October. And then we divide by the number of months. There were 3 months. Okay, so on the top you just add to get your total. You should get $8,296.50 and then divide by 3. In the end, you should get $2,765.50. Alright, here is a table that shows the Webster family's monthly expenses. Notice we have January, February, and March, and the whole list of their expenses there. Medical costs include dentists, doctor copays, and pharmacy. What's the average monthly expenditure for medical costs in your cent? So what we want to do is we want to look in the chart and find all of those. Well, here is a dentist bill that they had in January. That looks like the only medical thing in January. The next thing is a doctor. Are there any doctor's copays? Now, if we look in February, notice there's no medical expenses in February. But then in March we have pharmacy and a doctor's copay. Okay, so we total those. We want the total of medical things we've done for the month. So we have $100, we have $25, and we have $35. 100 for the dentist, 25 for the doctor copay, and 35 for the pharmacy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and total that up so we know our total spent. And we get $160. So over the 3 months, we did 3 months here, they spent $160. So to find the average, we're going to divide that by 3, and it will give us our average per month. When we do that, we get $53.33. Alright, here once again is the bottom of their monthly expenditures. It says they spent each of these amounts, $1,567.34, $2,823.08, and $2,825. What's the average monthly expenditure for all of their expenses? So notice there are those numbers. They totaled them at the bottom. All we have to do is average the 3 months. So again, to average, you add them together to get a total. And then divide by the number of months. Again, it was 3 months. So again, start by adding all of the top. When you do, you should get about $7,190.67. And then divide by 3. Right, and when you do that, you'll get your average, which comes out to be $2,396.89. So that's their average expenditures per month.